EnjoyClaude is available on the Google Workspace Marketplace, giving you access to Sonnet 3.5, GPT, and other models. In your browser, in the Google homepage, navigate to the Marketplace. In the Marketplace, search for EnjoyClaude. Go through the installation process for the application. Once installed, it will always be shown amongst your other Google applications in the app launcher in the very bottom. You can now begin chatting with the models using your API. On the chat interface, Sonnet 3.5 is selected by default. Other GPT models are also available. You can then input your API key and start chatting with no limitations. Code blocks are organized just as nicely as on the Claude UI. You are at liberty to start new chats at your discretion. Only you have access to chat history. Everything is managed online in your Google account or workspace. In Google Docs, all individual chats you start will be saved with this consistent nomenclature. Chat conversation followed by the date you commenced the particular chat. No third party has your conversation history. It is all in your Google documents. Rest assured, our tests have indicated very limited API credit usage using EnjoyClaude.